everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to export tax forms with button grayed out in Gusto Payroll. So I'll start with the first one, which is to confirm the download button is grayed out. So in Gusto, go to Taxes, tap on Tax Documents or Tax Forms, and from here you will see Form 941, W2, and 940 listed, but every download button is disabled. So this means that Gusto has flagged something on your company profile that has to be resolved before forms can be released. Next is complete your company profile. So follow the Amber complete your company profile banner or go to the settings, tap on the company, and fill in the legal name, 9-digit EIN, and filing address exactly as they appear on your IRS letter. So any mismatch here is most common reason downloads stay long. Next is finish the tax setup checklist. So next is go to taxes, tap on the tax setup, and you will need all 4 items screen. So the federal EIN verified, state tax ID added, bank account linked, and sign IRS form 8655. So this authorizes Gusto to file on your behalf. So you just have to click on the sign in on the form 8655 and complete the A signature. Next is refresh. So buttons are now active. So hard refresh the browser, which is Control Shift R or Command Shift R, and go back to taxes, tap on the tax forms, and every download PDF button is now bright coral and clickable. So pick the form you need and click. Lastly is form downloaded successfully. So the PDF lands in your downloads folder, form 941, this one. So open it to confirm your company name, EIN, and filing period all show up correctly. So you can now file with IRS or you can share it with your accountant. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!